Oo. Yun kasi ang goal. Maging totoo na lang tayo talaga. Mike! Mike, hi ka naman, nak! Nak! Hi ka, nak! Mika! Sige.
At okay, so how are you this year?
This year, first day pa lang.
Okay, it's our first day in the year na 2026. Siguro hindi naman papipigtal yung duyan. So we heard duyaning. Duyaning! We're just waiting for our drinks. Yeah. Duyan is swinging. Like that. pag hindi kasi nagana yung mic. So, we're gonna share with you our learnings, our lesson learned
Parang supervisor's
this
meeting.
year 2025. You.
This year?
Last year, yesterday and last night. What are your lesson? What are your lesson? What are your lesson in the year 2025? Just yesterday. What are your summary? What? Please summarize your lesson. Teacher.
Open your book and shop.
Hi, nothing to begin. Wala masimulan.
Bitbitin mo nga yan.
Bitbitin mo nga yan. Pati ba naman sa 2026?
Ayun o, yung naka ganon.
Babasahin mo pa yan dito nga ni. Alam mo, mukhang kahit mag-year 2030, hindi tatahimik yung friendship na to. Parang lagi na lang may gulo. Mahal!
Ikaw yung gulot eh.
Yeah, we are just together. What is your main goal? Main goal. What is your biggest achievement this 2025?
None.
Huh? Me too.
Biggest achievement is that I'm alive.
Yeah. And no man has been attached.
Hinihipon mo dyan.
No man sa'yo. Ay, pinaka-goal talaga 2025. Mailabas siya. Tuta yun.
Alam mo kaya siya nakaano doon? Kasi na-imagine niya yung dating young siya. Dati siya pa, nung nakakulong sa...
Ay, grabe yun.
Hindi mo sasaktan yung feelings this year. My biggest achievement this year ay hindi nakapag-resign.
This year?
Last year. Achievement yun. My biggest achievement last year is hindi makapag-resign when I'm about to. Tama yun? Correct. Kasi wala, unfinished yung sentence. Unfinished. And alam mo yung achievement namin? Oy, Oreo milk. At saka strawberry milk. Be, pakikuha.
I thought it's served.
Oh, sinigaw-sigaw niya lang. Uy, sinigaw-sigaw na nga niya. Aray ko. Aray. Sinaktan mo ba ako? OA. So, I'm just here laying down. Gusto ko yung... Okay. Na para bang... Alam mo, my biggest achievement this year is yun nga. When I'm about to stop and parang ayoko na, parang enough is enough. Hindi naman na-appreciate lahat ng ginagawa ko. Pero humingi ako ng sign kay Lord kung this is it, but it's not yet it. Ano daw? So I'm still here waiting for my cafe. What is this? What is this? What is this muna?
Strawberry na.
Okay, thank you.
Mika, let's go eat.
I have the strawberry milk. You. Oreo milk.
Oreo milk.
I like the strawberry milk.
Sobrang
Mike?
creamy.
Got the strawberry milk. And you, Nika? The Frucha.
Soda.
Yeah. The milk is yummy. It's creamy and
It's giving.
Thanksgiving. So the goal is, what is your 2025 achievement? Best achievement? Arte.
Was all achievements are
Ako, alam mo yung na-achieve ko 2025? Yung hindi ako makapanakit ng kaibigan. Kahit anong tindi talaga nung pagkainis. Kinakaya pa. Siguro this year, baka magbago. Let's see. Actually, this conversation should be in English.
Okay.
So that's our goal.
in British
Oh.
accent?
Yeah, in British. In British.
Pwede in Japanese.
Yeah. It's up to you and up to them.
Japanese kasi yung ano. So, kulang yun.
No thinking, no thinking.
Hindi makaabot yung tali ni Santa Claus ko sa Rangers.
Laging
Random ni Nika,
towards.
sabi niya. Parang hindi ano yung tali ng Santa Cruz sa reindeer.
No
Sobrang
thinking, no
random.
thinking. No point.
Naka-bloat kasi.
It's hard.